Why do the heavy lifting all by yourself? It's time to bot.
Welcome back. In the last tutorial, we reviewed your WhatsApp bot's contacts list, examined the contact details, and learned where a contact's name, phone number, and email address are stored. A contact is created each time a new visitor sends your bot a WhatsApp message for the first time. That allows your bot to recognize past visitors, as well as existing contacts, and personalize some aspects of its replies to them. For instance, your AI agents consider the visitor's personal info when interacting with them. Be sure to watch our tutorials on setting up and enabling your AI agents, if you haven't seen them already. Another great way to personalize your bot's replies for specific visitors is using info tags. An info tag is simply a placeholder, a piece of text surrounded by curly braces. When chatting with a visitor, your bot knows to replace these tags with the visitor's personal info. Let's review some default tags and learn how to use custom ones. First, head over to the Screens tab and expand the Welcome Messages details. There's already a tag embedded in the welcome message. This is the name tag, which is one of the default tags, and gets replaced with the contact's name. If your bot doesn't know the contact's name, it'll just remove this tag from the screen's text. Other default tags include the phone tag and the email tag, also taken from each visitor's details, as they show up on the bot's contacts list. Next, we'll use a custom info tag. Switch to the contacts list and search for a contact. When expanding the contact details, we can see the personal info tags section. Here, you'll find a list of existing tags that can hold info relevant to this contact. Enter info next to the first tag. Add more info next to the second tag. And fill out another info tag. Just for fun. When expanding the details of other contacts, we can see that all contacts have the same tag names, and that each contact can have different info associated with those tags, allowing you to create screens with customizable content that adapts to each contact. It's time to embed these tags in a new screen. Switch over to the Screens tab and add a new screen. Give it a title, then add content that includes the 3 tags we just created. Add a way to navigate back to the main menu, and that's all there is to it. Now that you know how to use tags, you can create dynamic screen content with personalized info that adapts to each visitor, and your WhatsApp bot will deliver it to your contacts 24/7. To take the next steps and get the most out of your WhatsApp bot, watch our next tutorials. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all that's new in the realms of automation solutions.